In less than 24 hours, the historic Gerald Goines murder trial will get underway. The former HPD narcotics officer is set to be tried in the shooting deaths of Dennis Tuttle and Rhogena Nicholas. The homeowners were killed in January 2019 during an HPD raid. Narcotics officers bursting into their home unannounced through a no-knock warrant. In the days leading up to the trial, KPRC2 investigator Mario Diaz spoke with legal experts, all of them former prosecutors, to examine specific aspects of this case. Tonight, we are looking at how long this trial will last and what we can expect to happen in it.
I give you 3 weeks, 4 days of deliberation, guilty. That's what I think.
I predict this case will take about 2 weeks to try, and I suspect he will be found guilty of murder.
I think it's going to be a very long trial. I think it's going to, both sides are going to be really duking it out throughout the trial. I think the jury's going to hang. I don't think they're going to be able to come to a decision, and I think this case is going to be tried again.
I cannot answer the way that you're asking it. I respect that you are. I do not know enough about what the defense is in regards to whether or not he had information suggesting that this was false. It all comes down to whether or not Nicole DeBoard can establish he knew it to be false or not. I don't know that I ever believe that a jury is fully capable of not looking into information that is blasted upon them on an irrelevant case. I think that the damage that's been done, if it has been done, has already been done. I'm not typically a fan of sequestration, and I don't know that it really works to a defendant's benefit.
Maybe. In most cases, I don't think that it's necessary, but in this case, it's different. I will speak and say that if you are a juror or you know somebody's a juror on this case, do not listen. Please stop and listen to what the facts are in the trial as it unfolds.
I think if the judge feels that at this time there is a fair jury impaneled, that they absolutely need to be sequestered. This case just has way too much publicity, especially in Harris County. And since the case was not moved to another county to be tried, where it wasn't going to get so much local news coverage, yeah, I think that would be a good idea.
If this becomes a spectacle and there's a long delay when they finish closing arguments and when a verdict comes back, I think it's possible that they get sequestered, sure.
Again, this trial gets underway tomorrow. The KPRC2 Investigates team will have complete multi-platform coverage on air, online, and on our apps. We know our viewers may have questions about some of the legal terms coming up during the trial, like what is a no-knock warrant? Well, KPRC2 explains it all with Anatomy of a Trial. Just go to click2houston.com. There you'll find all those answers.